In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP SmartTank 650 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP SmartTank 650 series support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results come back with an HP support page that says HP SmartTank Plus 650 Wireless All-in-One Series. Go ahead and open up that link. And then going underneath the support category that says software and drivers, go ahead and select that. Scrolling down, you want to select the HP EasyStart Printer Setup Software and the download button. And just give that a moment. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting the contents. And if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be from a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen wizard here about getting your printer properly configured for your device. If you're using a wired or wireless-based connection to connect your PC to your printer, just make those options in the following screens, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.